All right, guys, next up, we got Leaf 2021 autographed mini football helmet. Some big names in here. Tom Brady in a Bucks helmet. You got Drew Brees. You got some other big names as well. So this is from our eBay auctions on Saturday. Brian F., you've got the Seahawks. Bruce with the Bills, Dolphins, and Eagles. Christian's got the Ravens, Bears, Bengals, Raiders, and Steelers. Christopher, you've got the Broncos, Cardinals, Chargers, Vikings, Bucks, and Giants. George with the Cowboys. Jake T with the Titans. Jeff's got the Chiefs. Jesus, you've got the Falcons, Saints, and 49ers. John B with the Panthers. Kevin S with the Lions. Ryan's got the Commanders, Rams, Patriots, and Jets. And then Sean, you've got the Browns, Packers, Texans, Colts, and the Jags. All right, guys, let's see what we get. Oh, got a nice one here. How about a Terry Bradshaw? Really nice pull there. Christian, that one is coming to you, man. Nice silver auto right there on the top of the helmet. It is Beckett authenticated. Here's the C of A. Nice hit on the Bradshaw. So Christian, congratulations, man. We'll get that helmet in the mail to you tomorrow. And we'll look at doing more of these coming up here in the next few weeks.